Hey guys, it's Sage with the Panhandle-Plains Historical Museum's Education Department. Today is May 1st, so happy May Day everyone! May Day is a holiday that's celebrated by countries worldwide, welcoming a change in the season. Now some countries choose to celebrate by dancing around a maypole. And what happens is everyone gathers around the maypole and grabs onto a piece of ribbon which is attached to the top of the maypole. And then music plays and everyone will dance around the maypole holding onto their ribbon, and the ribbons weave and intertwine, creating this really neat effect. And this dance is said to represent the lengthening of days as summer approaches. Now, some of these maypoles can be over 80 feet tall, and since we're at home, we can't fit an 80-foot tall pole in our house. So what we're going to do is make our own miniature maypole. So what you'll need is a wooden dowel, some different colors of ribbon, a ruler and scissors for cutting your ribbon, push pins, and then some type of decoration for your push pin, which will be the top of your maypole. So it can be bows, it can be pom-poms or beads, whatever you choose. So what we're going to do is, first thing is cut our ribbon. Now I've already cut my pieces of ribbon for the sake of time, and I cut my ribbon at 24 inches long. So we'll grab our wooden dowel, our miniature maypole, and I'm going to fold my piece of ribbon in half, and at that halfway point just hold it on top of the wooden dowel with my finger. And I'm going to do that with each piece of ribbon, holding them in place with my finger and just overlapping them. Okay, once we have all our pieces of ribbon held in place on top of our wooden dowel, I am going to take my push pin, which I've already glued a couple bows to the top of it just to make it look pretty and nice. So if you would like to grab an adult to help you use the hot glue gun to glue on something to the top of your push pin, that would be great. So now we'll take our push pin and we're going to stick it through our ribbon and into the top of our dowel. And this part is kind of hard, so you might need an adult for this as well. And just push it into the wooden dowel as far as you can. And ta-da! We have our own miniature maypole. So now you can take the ribbon and wrap it around the maypole. You can braid it. You can do whatever pattern you would like until it's twisted all the way down to the bottom. And now we've done a maypole celebration. So after you're finished with your maypole, you can either stick it in your garden outside, you can stick it in a plant in the house, set it in the window for decoration, whatever you would like. So that's pretty much it. A simple, super easy idea for May Day, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and be sure to show us your maypole creations and tag us. So until next time, thanks guys.